everyone, welcome to CJStudio. Today I am going to show you how to make a name tag in a few minutes on Tinker CAD. So first let's click Create New Designs. As you can see, there's the work plane. So let's change the name. I'm going to call it CJStudio Name Tag, but you can call it anything you like. Next, let's get a box and put on the work plane. We're going to change the width to 70, but you can change it to as long as you like. Then we're going to change the height to 3 so it's thinner, but you can change the height into anything you like. Then we're going to get a torus for like hanging on your bag or something, and we're going to change the tube so that it's thinner. We're going to change it to 1.5, but you can change it to anything you like. Let's have a look. Now it's time to add the text. See if it fits. I'm gonna call mine CJStudio, but you can call yours anything you like. Let's make sure it fits it. And we're gonna change the color as well, so like it stands out. Now let's put in position, and then we're going to make it a bit smaller again. There. Now it's time for decoration. You can use anything you like, but I'm going to go with a heart. Let's make sure it fits the size. So we can also use those white squares to change the size. And if you like, you can change it into a hole, because then when it's printed out, there's just like a hole that's the shape of a heart, or any shape you wanted. But if you want it to remain a solid, then you can. Now let's fix it up to make it the right place. To make sure it's not too high. So we're going to change the height. There. Let's have a look. Pretty good right now. Let's have a top view. And we're going to change the radius to 0.2 or 0.5, because then like the edge is more softer, more curvier, so you're less likely to slice yourself or hurt yourself. Now we're going to click export, and because 3D printing is STL for format. We're going to press on that. And now we can watch it print. As you can see, it's printing. So this is in a time lapse, that's why it's going pretty fast. And yeah, but if your one is a different 3D printer, then it might go slower or it might go faster. So let's slow it down a bit so we can see properly. As you can see, it's printing. Thank you very much for your watching, and I hope you enjoy it. If it helps, please subscribe, like and turn on notifications so you won't miss any episodes. And also you can share with others. See you next time.